Regardless of our color, nationality, or creed, we really just want to live life to its fullest and make every day count. And to exclusively deal with our mental health, sometimes we just have to pause, relax, and breathe. I'm living my best life now. On this my 50th year, I'm making time to experience the blessings of my existence. Traveling, I'm just reveling in the opportunity to expand my mind and perspectives of other people's lives. Wow.
Hey, I'm not telling a lie. This is very nice.
Very nice experience. May I tell you?
When
Never
was the
in my
last
life me
time
thought
that
that
you
I
have
would be
been so happy to
experiencing
visit
this sort of thing. The biggest stress I've ever seen. This is Paris. Yo, I'm so happy to be having this experience. I mean, you wouldn't imagine.
Wow,
What you say about it, Max?
it's phenomenal. We're having a
Phenomenal,
grand time.
phenomenal.
You fix my hair real fast.
What you say about it,
It's
Warren?
real flat.
You see me?
Yes,
Wow.
baby. Yeah, man. Wonderful experience, may I tell you. Me I going to the Zara, yeah, to see if we can find even one piece of Paris clothing. Now, the first sign you see is do not touch. Thanks. I wonder if I'll be able to touch anything in here. I mean, just thinking about the prices. Anyways, let's go in a little further. But the price is not bad. €29.95. 39.95. No matter where we go, and with the opulence around us, you'll always find this. Now we're passing the river that they purified for the Olympics. Let me give you a closer look. I don't know how much purifying this could have gone through for people to safely swim in, but they said they did it. Behind me, right there, we have the Place de la Concorde. The shape of this body of water is an octagon. Videoing you, videoing me. Now we get to the Louvre. You can see right through there. Yeah. Wow. The Louvre. That's where the Mona Lisa is. I wish I could get to go inside to see that painting. Alright. I can't go in. I can only look from the outside. This is the Bridge of Arts, and this is where the people usually lock the padlocks, signifying their fixed love for their partners. This is the raclette we talk about in the last night video. The big slab of cheese, and they melt it and put it on the top of anything, fries, meat.
Je t'ai dit, ça s'appelle un couscous. Et c'est ce que je viens de te dire.
Rate the trip, one through 10.
Man, I'll give it a 9. And the only reason why I give it a 9 is because after a while, my feet started killing me. I wore the wrong shoes, you know, to look trendy.
You were fresh. You were fresh.
I was fresh, yes, but it wasn't the right shoes. Had on boots, and we walked. What was it?
Cumulative,
11 miles.
but altogether about 19.
And about
19 miles,
2 miles in,
20 miles.
my
Complete.
feet were done. But I got to see some wonderful and amazing and splendid sights, and that made up for it.
Fashion over comfort.
Fashion over comfort. Everything in? No, this is our water. We just keep this with us. Alrighty. Yep. Alright, before we start to sojourn, we're gonna get some breakfast at a little corner shop. So we join the queue. When we talk about delectable pastries, this is what we're talking about.
Did you already get that? Yeah.
For Christmas, it will be 26 May. It's not really for Christmas because the Christmas trees are here, but my favorite one is the roulé cannelle. Is the brioche. And 90 cents.
One this.
I think. Yeah. And 10 cents. Perfect. It was only one cappuccino, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can wait inside for a cappuccino.
Merci. All right. We got our breakfast. So back to the car now for the travel back to Lorient. We got the ham and cheese cinnamon roll, you call it? What's it called in French?
Le roux jambon fromage.
Le roux jambon fromage.
So like ham and cheese roll. Yeah.
Oh, ham and cheese roll. So, look. Ham and cheese inside. All right, let's taste this. Talk about delectable.
Go.
So for the dessert, may I have cream beignet, and it's simply a cream-filled donut. You see that cream oozing out? Delicious.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. 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 Happy birthday, Heather. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. 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 Happy birthday, Heather. Thank you.
Look at the cameras.
Come down now.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Clear.